In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put domain on Payhip. By the end, you'll have your custom domain connected to your Payhip store, so your brand looks polished and professional. First, open the Payhip dashboard. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see a tab labeled Store. That's where all the key settings for how your storefront appears and functions are grouped, including your domain settings. Go ahead and click Store. On the Store page, find and select the Domains option. This takes you to the place where you manage any domains connected to your Payhip site. If this is your first time here, the page will be fairly simple with a clear call to connect a domain. Choose Connect Existing Domain. This option is perfect if you've already purchased a domain from a registrar and simply want to point it to your Payhip store. You're not buying anything new here. You're just telling Payhip which address on the web should load your storefront. Now enter your domain. Type it cleanly with no extra spaces and don't include HTTP or HTTPS. For example, you might enter your domain.com or a subdomain like shopyourdomain.com depending on how you want visitors to reach your store. Pick the version you plan to use consistently. Be precise here. Most connection issues come from small typos or including unnecessary prefixes. Click Continue. Payhip will prepare the connection and show you what it's expecting. This step helps Payhip confirm that the domain you entered is set up to point to your store. Next, click Verify Connection. Payhip will check whether the domain you provided can successfully resolve to your storefront. If everything is aligned, you'll see a confirmation that your domain is connected. If verification doesn't pass right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a little time for changes on the internet to be recognized. It's perfectly normal to come back to this page and click Verify Connection again later. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly. Double-check the spelling of your domain before you continue. Use the exact domain you intend to share with customers, and keep the format simple. Just the domain or subdomain, without slashes or protocols. Consistency here will help ensure a clean, professional URL for your store. That's it. You opened the dashboard, went to Store, selected Domains, chose Connect Existing Domain, entered your domain, continued, and verified the connection. Once verified, your Payhip store will be live on your custom domain, ready for visitors.